In this video, we will explain how to repair an inverter input short circuit fault alarm. Ensure there are no mixed connections, such as connecting the positive terminal of module A with the negative terminal of module B in the same channel. Ensure that the module connectors are properly connected within the same channel. If DC extension cables are used, verify that the connectors are correctly assembled. Ensure that the negative connector has not been mistakenly connected to the positive channel interface. The current of the PV module has a direction. The module's positive and negative terminals should be correctly connected to the inverter channel. If there are no mixed or incorrect connections, measure the module voltage to ensure it is normal and below the maximum DC input voltage. Confirm whether the module is damaged, which might be causing the DC alarm. If there are no issues found in all the above checks, swap the position of the faulty inverter with another functioning inverter. If the original short circuit channel still does not work after the swap, the inverter might be damaged. If the original short circuit channel starts working after the swap, inspect the DC cables for issues.